Hey guys, this is Tim Dawson from Edmunds Automotive. Today I have a 2017 Equinox. This Equinox has a clean CARFAX. It's also a one owner as well too, and you'll have the remaining of your factory warranty on this car. I'm going to walk you around and show you some features on this car real fast. Here's a good shot of your rims and tires. Plenty of tread left on these tires as well too. There's no curb rash or anything on the rims. Rims are in great shape. Now we've also completed a 150-point inspection on this vehicle, and we put a warranty on everything that we sell as well too. That warranty is going to be for 30 days. But as I mentioned earlier, this car does have the remaining of the factory warranty. This car's a non-smoker. There's no funny smells in here. There's no rips or tears in the seats. No cracks or fading in the dash. This car is extremely clean inside and out. Again, there's no stains or rips in the back seat. Plenty of room back here as well. Good shot of your rims and tires again. There's no road rash on these. Now this Equinox is equipped with a backup camera as well too. A lot of cargo space back here. Now you can fold these seats down if you need a little more cargo space. You'll be able to fold those down. And we also have financing available. We have rates as low as 4.24. We also work with people that are trying to rebuild their credit as well. Guys, please let me know if you have any questions. My name is Tim Dawson with Edmunds Automotive. My phone number is 309-310-3034. If you need me to take some more photos for you, another video, just let me know how I can help you out, and I'll be more than happy to do anything I can for you. Okay, let's hop in the driver's seat and show you some features inside real fast. Now you do have power windows, power locks. You're also going to have auto lights on this as well. Power driver's seat. Again, there's no rips or tears in the driver's seat. As I mentioned earlier, you do have a backup camera. This is also touchscreen as well too. You'll have Bluetooth in this car, so you'll be able to sync up your phone, make all your telephone calls. Of course, you do have cruise control. Again, this is a 2017 Chevy Equinox, clean CARFAX, one owner. If you have any questions on this car, please give me a call or text 309-310-3034. Thank you.